Hi everyone, long time no see. I hope you're well. So I just got paid and I haven't got anything new for a month, which is very long. And it's getting cooler in New Zealand. So I bought a few things online and I can't wait to share them all with you. I'm gonna try them all on and let me know which item I should keep and which one I should return. Let's get it started. Okay, first up. So I saw this on Instagram and then I was just like, oh my god, I want it. This is from the Gucci official website. Ta-da! Aki, what do you mean it's getting cooler in New Zealand and you bought a pair of shorts? But it's Gucci. Gucci shorts are built different. I need it. And it's so beautiful, like the texture and the quality is amazing. That's the front and that's the back. Like all the fabric and the finishing, everything. It's just so amazing.
How's it going?
What do you think? What do you think of this Gucci shorts?
I actually don't like the North Face logo. I think it ruins it.
Should I wear it backwards then?
I think they're cool overall, but the North Face logo is like I think of Gucci as being the super premium thing, and then I see North Face and I'm like, what?
What? Premium people go through exercise and climb mountains too, okay?
Well, you asked, now you know.
Styling wise, I think these would look amazing with blazers. Otherwise, if you have any boring jumpers, these are perfect to spice up the look. Let's do a styling session and then we can judge. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by pairing these Gucci shorts with a singlet. I really love these shorts. I love how premium but casual at the same time, and I love this elastic band. That means I can just go out and overfeed and it's okay because I have some mileage out of this. And I also got a few shoe options right here, but let me quickly grab an oversized blazer because I think it will look amazing with this. Be right back. These belongs to Andrew, and since I'm married to him, that means it belongs to me too. Hey, not bad, eh? And shoes. So either pairing the brown with the brown or the white with the lettering. I think let's go with this one. These are from Bottega and it's so much fun and it's so easy to put on. Ooh. What do you think? I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I also love the length a lot because I'm not tall. I'm like 166, but this really elongates my legs. So, and I also mentioned that these shorts are great when it comes to spicing up like a boring jumper. I'll show you what I mean. For example, these COS jumper right here, when pairing with a leather short or just a plain shorts, just look like this. It's okay, but let's upgrade it to the next level. Right? Okay, and then I'm gonna jazz it up with some blings and make it even better. Chunky necklace. This is from Givenchy. Bracelet. This is from Paco Rabanne. Gucci gang, Gucci gang. So yeah, I'm good to go. Maybe we don't need this necklace. But yeah, so comfy. Oh my god. The second item I want to share with you is a little black dress. So I've been hunting for a casual black dress that is equally interesting. But seems like casual black dress and interesting is a very difficult thing to find. Did you find it? So, I was really happy when I found this. This is from Christopher Esber and it was 900 retail, but I bought it for 500. Yes. And if you wonder, how is this big blob of black fabric interesting? Let me put this on and show it to you. Hi! Cool, right? Like, this is amazing. I just love this dress so much. This is a very iconic Christopher Esber kind of look, like cutouts with hardware. Just so beautiful, so beautiful. Like, oh my days. What do you think? I love the fact that this dress can be casual and dressy at the same time. Like, if I want to dress this down, I would just pair it with like a pair of slides, warmer days. And if I want to dress it up, I would just pair it with a pair of heels. Hair up maybe. Ooh, this would be perfect. Yeah, so I would go out like this. So yeah, like I said, this amazing Christopher Esber's dress is $500 after discount. It's not the cheapest thing in the world, but it is absolutely stunning. There's also a cheaper alternative on the Iconic that looks like this. Like, it's very similar, isn't it? Like, it has the same front cutouts. And look, it is pairing it with a pair of chunky slides as well. But, like, I don't know, there's something about this. Like, I know I can easily just get the $70 one, but I know I will not love it as much and I will not look after it as much as this one. So yeah, I'm keeping this. Do you agree? Next item. This is from Isabel Marant. I bought this last week during the My Teresa sale. There were a few colorways and I wasn't sure which color should I get, but I just love like the ombre kind of vibe. And then I love a good shoulder pad because I'm not sure if you can tell, there's not much going on right here. And so I put a poll up my Instagram stories and this is the colorway that was chosen by my followers. Let's unwrap this. I hope this looks good. You know, my concern with online shopping is because you know how clothing always look amazing on models, but sometimes when you showed up, it looks different on you, like completely different. It's like, I waited so long for you and you look like crap. So, ta-da! Ooh. Oh, the color is beautiful. Oh, I love it, I love it. What do you think? Does it work with my hair? Oh my god, okay. Grab a cup of tea, I'm gonna get changed, and then let's play dress up. Be right back. Oh my god, this is fabulous. Like, I am loving it. And then I'm just gonna pair with a simple pair of shorts because this is already the center of attention. And then I'm just gonna grab shoes and bag. Stay with me. Yes. Oh, so perfect. This is from a New Zealand brand called Daily Pony, and this is one of their signature style shoes. Yeah. Now we're talking. These are Jacquemus. You might have seen it in my other videos already because it's one of my most worn shoes. It's so versatile and so fun. Yeah. Oh, let's also try with a pair of boots so that we got the colder days covered. Looks like this. That works. Let's try it on as well. Yeah, that's a look. You like it? And now I want to emulate the styling on the model and see if it's any good. I will need a pair of white shoes and denim skirt. Let's go. Okay, I don't have a denim skirt, so I'm just gonna convert this dungaree dress into a skirt. But hey, this could be a look too. So I'm just gonna do this. Pull it down. That's the tag from the top. And now we have a skirt. Shoes. These are very old from Zara. Forget this little one. Yeah, that's look number 2. And now let's try this top with a pair of trousers and see what kind of style would work with this. Oh, jeans work. Jeans totally work. Yep. What about pants? Ooh. Oh yeah, that works too. This top is pretty versatile. Looks like I'm keeping it then. Next up, I got another dress. Actually, it was given to me because I photographed a dress from this brand and then they noticed my post, so they offered me to give me a dress as a gift. This is what I picked. I have been wanting something in this kind of plissé texture for a while. This kind of like texture. It looks very avant-garde and very high fashion. So let's put this on and hopefully it looks as amazing, if not more amazing than the picture. Looks a bit like Richard Queen kind of vibe. You know what I mean? Bag. Try this one, Michael Kors. Shoes. Okay, since we're doing a full Richard Queen kind of vibe, Balenciaga. These babies. Ta-da! What do you think? Keep or return? And last but not least, I also got a suit from this brand. I'm always a fan of sculptural, good shaping suit, and I like it oversized, but not like Justin Bieber sort of level. This is an Australian brand. They have lots of dresses and suits that are really well tailored, really well shaped. This one, I think you're gonna love it. What do you think? Is this orange a thing? Let me pair it with a bag. It looks like a terracotta in person, but on the camera for some reason, why does it look like a prison suit? Does it look good?
It does look good. I like it.
Look at the camera. Does it look like orange is the new black?
No. No, I don't think so.
No?
No. Well, I mean, I don't think they had Gucci bags in prison.
It is a much brighter orange on the camera, but in person it's like, oh, it's quite like
it's
Cinque
not.
Terre, like
Yeah.
Tuscany kind of.
In person, it doesn't have the same vibe as like that. Yeah, like the prison orange.
Like, you want to see my number?
I think the shape of it, like
the shape is cool. Like the shape is cool.
Yeah.
It's just
you kind of have to be you to wear it. Like.
Okay, I'm keeping this there because I was like all out confident about this until I see it in camera. I was like, what's that orange?
Like it's naturally kind of the shape of it is
A bit
unconventional.
oversized.
It's a bit oversized, so if you got the confidence to wear it, which you do, it looks good.
So yeah, looks like I'm keeping it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below which outfit I should keep and which one I should return. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and remember to press the bell button so that you get notified when I upload a new video. Have a lovely day and I hope to see you on my next one. Ciao!